I'd like you to meet our big girl Gigi. She is, or her ID number is A4652135. She's a fawn and white pit bull mix. Came into the shelter from a field call going out to the Hawthorne area. So I had to bring her in. And she's about 2 years old. And that came in on November 12th. We think she's about 65-70 pounds of pure love and attention. And she's very good with people and loves to be handled. She pulls on the leash, so she'll need some good leash training, but she's manageable. So she is checking out the cats over in the area now. Can we see your face? Come here.
Say hi, honey. Come on.
There I am. And she is just a sweet dog. She got a B on her temperament test. So basically she needs a little bit of training, but she is good for a family with older children and adults. And she does get along with other dogs. So if you're interested in a hiking buddy, somebody to take care of your family, please come to the Carson Animal Care Center.